Hello everyone and welcome to Tutorialspoint. This is an introduction video for HP ALM. HP ALM stands for Application Lifecycle Management. HP ALM was previously known as HP QC or also called as HP Quality Center. Now the very first question is, what is HP ALM or what is HP QC? HP ALM is a test management tool. Now what is exactly a test management? Things related to testing, if you are trying to manage those, are known as test management. So let's see the definition. Test management is managing activities, artifacts or documents which are related to testing. Now what are those different documents? It can be a test case, it can be a test data, test execution results. We have something as defects, graphs, reports, etc. So if you are trying to manage all the artifacts is known as test management. We have a software known as HP ALM, so which is used to manage all these artifacts. Now HP ALM can be integrated with different tools. It can be with respect to HP tools like HP Unified Functional Testing, HP Load Runner, HP Sprinter. Along with HP tools, it has a capability to integrate with third-party tools like IBM and Microsoft. Let's see what are those. IBM Rational ClearQuest, IBM Rational Requisite Pro, Microsoft Team Foundation Server. So it can be connected with different third-party tools also. Now let's see what are the different target audience who can use this HP ALM. HP ALM can be used by different target audience like testers, developers, business analysts, project managers and clients. So anybody can use this tool because they have different sections in this HP ALM. Now let us see the evolution of HP ALM. Previously, when it was launched for the first time, HP ALM was known as Test Director. So the version number was 1.52 to version number 8.0. After this Test Director, it was known as Mercury Quality Center and the version number was version number 8.1 to 9.0. After this Mercury Quality Center, it became HP QC. The version started from 9.2 to 10.0. And now in today's world, it is known as HP ALM. It starts with version number 11.0 to 12.53. So that is the evolution of HP ALM. So now let's see the architecture of HP ALM. HP ALM works on the client server architecture. So first you need to install a server at your location and then you can give the login ID and the password to everybody which works on this client machine. So if you see, that's a server machine and that's a client machine. It is connected by this protocol, that is HTTPS, over the internet. Now to manage all the database related to this HP ALM, we need some database server. It manages the site admin, lab project and the project repository. So that is the architecture for this HP ALM. Now let us see the next part, that is the workflow for HP ALM. What is the process we'll be following it? We'll be trying to analyze the different sections of this testing part. The very first one would be release specifications. We'll proceed to requirement specifications. Then we'll go for the test plan, test execution, and then for the defect tracking part. So we'll try to go in this particular workflow. So I hope you're able to understand the different things what we have seen in this video, like what is HP ALM or QC, what is exactly a test management. We have seen the architecture, workflow and the evolution of HP ALM. So in the coming videos, we have made sure that all the videos are very short, to the point and very crispy. So let's see that HP ALM practical videos. That's all for this video. Thank you.